Well, today is the fun day. I got my assistant here, doesn't want to be on video, but that's okay. Not everybody wants to be on YouTube, but we're doing the Lambo doors. So I had to disconnect the battery. You got to take this off, and then we'll come in here and get all the hinges and stuff, and then put them back on, and it's done. It says 6 to 8 hours, so we might just get one of them done today, but we're gonna do something. We might just make a mess and break it, but either way, we'll see it. We'll see what happens. So far, we've gotten one panel off and some of the hinges, but we have to figure out how we're gonna measure up the gaps so we can get those right. So this should be a whole lot of fun because yeah, we got to get those hinges off, put the new ones on, and then we'll have Lambo doors, baby.
Oh my gosh, we're breaking out of here.
Well, we got one door off so far. Yeah, that was hellacious. That thing's kind of heavy. And with only 2 people working, I should do the weather stripping on the door while I'm at it, right? I think I can wait on that because I'm lazy. And I want to get this done because it's supposed to take 6 to 8 hours, and with just 2 of us doing it, we still got 6 hours to go. So I had to bust out the grinder and grind these down so they're rounded here. And right here, this has to, yeah, I don't know. So it opens the door right, because if not, it doesn't close. So we have to make sure it closes. So I have to do, this is just the one side. We still have one more side to go. You know, we had to go get a cutting wheel because the one I had wasn't right. So yeah, now there's the hinges. We got them unwrapped. This is the driver's side, that's passenger side. We got to get the hinges on, and then we have to install them and then put the door back on. That's the fun part. So far, we got the hinge ready to go. Yeah, it's another day because we had a hiccup. My original help had a family emergency and had to leave, so I've recruited my neighbor because he's amazing and he doesn't want to be on video either. So we had to take half the door apart to get the wires out because we have to have enough wires so when it comes up they don't bind and pull. We got the hinge, got to get these in, we got to get those bolted into the door, and that's a huge pain in the butt. So I'm going to straighten my back out lifting, and hopefully I can do better. Well, I got the door back on with a lot of help from my amazing mechanic buddy, neighbor, friend. So that's what that looks like. We still have to do a little bit of a tightening. Everything should be adjusted the way we need it, but now we have a Lambo door, and that's what she's gonna look like. Like I said, we still have to tighten it a little bit and then get the other one done and then put everything back together. We're good. I think it looks pretty good so far. Well, we got it put back together. We had to take it apart several times because we didn't do a few things we were supposed to. We messed a few things up, but look how easy that is. Oh, that's so sharp. That looks good. Hope my wife likes it. That's what matters. As long as Randlin likes it, we're good. Looks good from this side. It's just different. It's stupid. If I had to do it over again, I'd make somebody else do it. Oh, do-it-yourself projects suck sometimes, but you gotta do it, to learn. Well, we got the second door off, got the hinges off, got the hinges cut, everything ready to mount. All we have to do is mount it. We got the wires all wrapped up because we didn't do that until late the last time. Now they're ready to go. So yeah, all we have to do is put the hinges on. As you can see, the sun's going down, which isn't good. So we have quite a bit left to do, but hopefully this will take us about a half hour to 45 minutes. We'll be done, and we'll have Lambo doors. As you can see, we ran out of daylight. So I had to tape it up. We have to line everything up. We spent so much time on the first side. We had to take the door off because the way we initially did it was not correct. We had some issues, so we fixed that. And then we installed it the way it was supposed to be installed, but that didn't work. So we called the people who supplied the kit. They told us how we were supposed to do it, and we did something completely different, and we made it work. We got it on no problem. We would have had this on no problem, but like I said, we ran out of daylight. So tomorrow, it'll take us about 30 minutes, and we're done. At least that's what I'm hoping for anyway. So I'm gonna put the hood down, and I'm gonna take my happy honey in the house for the night until tomorrow. See you then. So I woke up this morning at 2 early 30 to get this done. And I drank some coffee, And then we got it done. Holy crap, we got it done so fast, it was ridiculous. So now my passenger side door goes up just that easy. There we go. Oh, that's so cool. So it goes from looking, put this back down. We go from looking like this ordinary Corvette to poof, and we have Lambo doors. That looks pretty sweet if you ask me. But then again, yeah, if I ever decide to do this again, I'm just gonna buy a Lamborghini because it's a pain in the butt. That's a whole lot of work just to do something ridiculous. But it is what it is. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give them a thumbs up. If you dislike them, give them a thumbs down. Subscribe and get those alerts. That way you have notification when I put up new videos. Thanks for watching.